Hi guys, today we are going to solve the day 3 challenge. Let's get started. Okay, we have an integer n and we should check some conditions on that integer. For example, the first condition is if n is odd, print white. Okay, and if n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not white. If it is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, it's right. And if n is even and greater than 20, then it's not right. Okay, so we are taking input here as n. So we are going to define a function called check, and we are going to send that n to their function. Define a function, accepts that integer as a lowercase n, and okay, so we should type a if statement. If n is odd, then print wait. Okay, turn. So this three lines checks the n, and if it's odd, then it prints wait and leaves the function. If it is not odd, then it means it is even, because there are only two states, odd or even. So if n is between 2 and 5, is between 2 and 5, then print not wait, print not wait, and leave this function. So it okay. If n is between 6 and 20, if n is between 6 and 20, then print wait, and leaves this function. So in other conditions, print not wait, and leave this function, because we have only one possibility, and it is greater than 20, so we don't need if statement here. So let's run the code. Okay, our code passed all sample test cases. Now let's submit the code. Okay, great. So our code is the actual solution of this problem. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice yourself, please click the next challenge and go practicing by yourself. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.